This is an employee productivity tracker which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got employee name, month and year. Over here, we have got the option of date and day, and after that, we have got week offs. Whenever the employee has got week off, just click over here and select yes from the drop down. We have got the option of yes only. If there is no week off, leave it blank. I'll delete this. After that, we have got holidays. When the month will change, holidays will change automatically. I'll undo this. The data which we have to fill manually are week offs, time in, time out and breaks. Once the data will be filled, on the right hand side all the calculations will be done automatically. When we come down, over here we have got the totals. So this tracker is just for one employee. To create a new sheet, you'll have to click on the button New Sheet and a new sheet will be created and the new sheet will be totally blank. When we come down, this is the old sheet and this is the new sheet. Before creating another sheet, we will have to rename it. I'll rename this as 1. Now I'll click on New Sheet and a blank new sheet got created. I'll rename this 2. We'll click on New Sheet and the third sheet got created. Let's start creating a new format now. We will start from B6. Date, day, week offs, holidays, time in, break 1. We will press Alt and we'll hit Enter and the cursor will come down. Bracket open, start, bracket close, enter. Now we will come over here or we will drag this. This will be break 1 end, enter. We will select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. Now we will copy both, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Ctrl V or Command V. This will be break 2, enter, and this will also be break 2, enter. We'll select the whole row and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll change the font style, we'll make it bold and this will be timeout. We will select all and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll take column A little bit closer. We will come to right hand side. This will be total hours. Break 1. We'll press Alt and we'll hit Enter. Hours. We'll drag this. This will be break 2 hours. Total productive hours. We'll press Alt. We'll hit Enter. Hours. We'll adjust the column size. This will be productive hours percentage. We'll press Alt. We'll hit Enter. Percent. Enter. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select all heads and we'll put color. We'll change the font color. We'll insert borders. We'll come to left hand side. We'll click on B4 and we'll select till D. We'll merge together. This will be employee name. We'll select E, F and G and we'll merge together. We'll select both and we'll create borders. We'll click on I and we'll select J also. We'll merge together. This will be month. We'll select K and L and we'll merge together. We'll select both and we'll create borders. We'll come to right hand side. We'll click on N. This will be year. We'll select O and P and we'll merge together. We'll select the whole row, means row number 4, and we'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll click on year and we'll select next cell also and we'll create borders. We'll come to left. We'll put some color over here. We'll put some name. We'll change the font color. We'll select month and year and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll make row number 4 little bit bigger. We'll take this closer. We'll come to right hand side and we'll create a new sheet. But before that, we will rename this sheet. This will be entry sheet. We'll create a new sheet. We'll take this sheet to extreme left. This will be settings. We'll click over here. This will be months. So I have taken all the details, means all the holidays from my example file. We'll go to view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Perfect. So setting sheet is ready now. We'll go to my entry sheet. We'll click next to months. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select months from January to December and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for months got created. We'll select January. We'll click on here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. We'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down for years got created. We'll select 2024. We'll select January. We'll press Ctrl and we'll select year also. we'll go to home and we'll change the font color. We'll take this in center, we'll click on row number 4 and we'll increase the font size. Perfect. We'll come to left hand side, we'll make row number 2 bigger. We'll take row number 3 little bit closer, we'll click on B2 and we'll select till end. We'll merge together, we'll change the color, we'll change the font color, we'll make font size bigger. We'll change the font style, we'll make it bold. This will be employee productivity tracker. Enter. We'll click over here and we'll increase font size little bit more. We'll adjust row size. Perfect. We'll go to view, show and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll create borders over here by going in home. Date. Formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month, and we will come to right hand side and we'll select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll come to left. We got some random numbers over here. We'll click on the number. We'll take this in left. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. And we'll do OK. So we got 1st of Jan. We'll drag this down. We got an error. We'll delete this and we'll insert the formula for second date. And the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. First date, we'll press function F4 3 times, means we will put dollar just before the cell number, is smaller than EO month, means end of the month, bracket open. We'll click on first date once again, we'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked or cell will be locked, comma 0, bracket close, comma, we'll click on first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our second date. We'll click on day and we'll insert our formula plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll click on first date, comma, double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll drag this down. Now we will select all and we'll create borders. We'll take both in center. Now we will select second date and day and we'll drag this till 31st. So we can see the date till 31st of Jan. We will come on top. Now whenever I'll change the month, I'll do it February. So we can see all the dates of February. When we come down, after 29th, it got blank. We'll come on top, we'll select all, we'll come to right hand side and we'll create borders. We'll come to right and we'll delete this. Perfect. So our raw format is ready now. We will click just under week offs and we'll select till end. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will just type yes and we'll do OK. We will leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type yes. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select green color. Font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever we will have week off, we will select yes. Holidays. We'll make column size bigger. The formula for holidays will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select holidays from top. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number. For VLOOKUP purpose, we have selected our data from here. So this will be our column number 1 and this will be 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket, but before hitting enter, we will come to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our formula got inserted, but we are not able to see anything because on 1st of February there's no holiday. I'll change the month and we'll do it as January. And we can see our first holiday. We'll drag this down. We'll go on top. Before moving ahead, we will use some conditional formatting. We'll click under week offs and we'll select till end. We'll select till right side also. We will select till productive hours. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will see the next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this to right, we'll click on first holiday. We'll remove dollar from center is not equal to. For not equal to, we will insert smaller than, greater than, not equal to blank. If these cells will not be blank, it will be highlighted. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select desired color. Font color will be black or just say desired, and we'll do OK. OK. So the entire row got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting once again. New rule. From here we will select classic, and from the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We will click on first week of. We will remove dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma yes, double inverted comma close. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select a desired color. I'll select red and font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. Earlier yes was highlighted in green, now it got highlighted in red. We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. This is the first rule which we have inserted. We'll click on the first rule and we'll change rule order. We'll take this on top and we'll do OK. So yes got highlighted in green and rest of the things are highlighted in red. Perfect. To calculate the formula, I'll insert some time over here. I'll just type 9 AM. I haven't got any result, so I'll select from time in till time out and we'll select till bottom. We'll go on top, we'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to time and we'll select a desired time format and we'll do OK. Now I'll delete this and we'll type 9 AM, enter. So we can see 9 AM over here now. We'll take this in center. We'll select all and we'll take all the things in center. Perfect. I'll put some random time over here. I'll select all and we'll drag down. We'll come to right, we'll go on top. Now we will insert our formulas over here, and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open timeout is greater than time in, comma timeout minus time in, comma 1 plus timeout minus time in. We'll close the bracket into 24, enter. So we got 9 hours, means total 9 hours including break times. We'll click over here, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if bracket open timeout is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. If timeout will be blank, comma, in return we want blank, so we'll insert double inverted comma twice once again, comma, we'll come to end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll go to formula bar. If timeout will be blank, we want 0 and not blank. Now we will drag this down. Perfect. Break 1 hours, formula will be same, plus or equal to if bracket open break end time is greater than break start time, comma break end time minus break start time, comma 1 plus break end time minus break start time. We close the bracket into 24, enter. So we got 0.5 hours. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if bracket open break end time is equal to blank. If it will be blank, comma, in return we want 0. So we'll put double inverted comma 0, double inverted comma close, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we have to insert the formula for break 2 hours. We just can't drag this because cell reference will change. So formula will be same what we have inserted for break 1, plus or equal to if bracket open break 2 end time is greater than break 2 start time, comma break 2 end time minus break 2 start time, comma 1 plus break 2 end time minus break 2 start time. We'll close the bracket into 24. Over here also we will insert the criteria of if bracket open break 2 end time is equal to blank, comma, in return we want 0. So we'll put double inverted comma 0, double inverted comma close, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. Perfect. We'll go on top, total productive hours. So total productive hours will be plus or equal to total hours minus break 1 hours minus break 2 hours, and we will hit enter. So we got 8 hours. We'll drag this down. We'll go on top, productive hours percentage. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go on top, we'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to percentage, and from here we will remove the decimals and we'll do OK. Now we will put our formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to total productive hours divided by total hours, and we will hit enter. So we got 89%. Before dragging this down, we will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Perfect. We'll come down, we'll go to left, we'll click on row number 39, we'll make this bigger. We'll select from B to J and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here, we'll change the font color. This will be total. We'll change the font style, we'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. We'll create borders, we'll come to right hand side, we'll go on top, we'll come to left, we'll click just under 𝑉𝐶𝐜𝐽, we'll go to view and we'll freeze the panes. Now we will come to right and we'll come down. We'll select this, we'll go to home and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here, we'll change the font color. We'll change the font style, we'll make it bold. We'll increase the font size. Over here we will do the total and the formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open, we'll go on top, we'll select total hours from top, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll click till total productive hours. Over here we will take out average and the formula will be plus or equal to average, bracket open, we'll go on top, we'll select from top to bottom, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. In average also we will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to end, comma, double inverted comma 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Perfect. So all the entries are done. Now let's delete all the entries and see if we are getting any error. When I deleted the month, I got error in dates and days. I'll click on first date and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. In second date also, I'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this till end. Perfect. Now I'll delete this. I'll delete all the times from here. We'll come to right to check if we are getting any error. Perfect. So we can't see any error. We'll undo this. We'll put employee name. We'll select the month and we'll select the year. We'll go to insert shapes and from here I'll select a desired shape. We'll click over here and my shape will be inserted. We'll adjust this. This will be new sheet. Shape fill, I'll change the color. We'll go to home and we'll change the font color. We'll take this in center and in mid and we'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. We'll adjust over here. We'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now we will record our macros. We'll go to developer. On extreme left hand side we get the option of record macro. We will click over here. We'll rename this as new sheet, new underscore sheet. In macro name we can't put any space. Now we will do OK. We'll click on sheet's name. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, and we will do OK. We'll rename this sheet as new sheet. Perfect. Now we will go on top in new sheet and we'll delete the names. Our macro is getting recorded now. So the steps what we are following is getting recorded. We'll delete this. There's formula in date and day, so we are not going to delete this. We will delete all the week offs from top to bottom. We'll go on top. We are not going to delete holidays because there's formula. We will delete from time in till time out because the entry will be done manually over here. We'll select till end and we'll delete all. All the things got 0. We will go on top and we'll click over here next to employee name. Now we will go to developer and we'll click on stop recording. So our macro got recorded. Now we will delete our new sheet. Delete. Now whenever we will have to create new sheet, we will have to click on new sheet tab. But before that, we will have to connect this with macros. We'll click on the button, we'll right click the mouse, assign macro, and this is the macro what we have created right now, new sheet. We'll click on OK. Now whenever we'll click on new sheet, our new sheet will be created and all the things will be blank. So one new sheet got created. You'll have to rename the sheet before creating another sheet. I'll rename this as 1. Now I'll click on new sheet. new sheet got inserted. We'll rename this as 2. Perfect. So this format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.